Hello everyone, I'm Dan Christie. I'm one of the instructors here at the Tech Academy. And today we're going to talk about what is a version control system. So a version control system is a process where you can have project files, and as you make changes to your files, it's like taking a snapshot, and those files are logged into a history. If an error ever occurs, you can actually go through and look through your history log, find the previous revision of your file, change back to that, and at that point you can carry on with your code as if that error never occurred. A version control system allows you to have a master branch. It allows you to check out the same file and save them under different branches, making different changes to that file. When you find the right file that works for you, you can revert to that particular branch. And if you ever detect that something went wrong in your file, you could always review your history log, revert back to a previous version of that file before the error transpired, and your crisis is averted. In a centralized version control system, there's one master repository, and all team members on the project connect to that repository. They can check out their files, make changes to their files, and then check those files back into the master repository, which is called a merge. A good version control system can reconcile any merge conflict if one particular employee updates a file and it happens to be the very same file that another employee has just updated and checked in. The cons for a centralized version control system, though, means that if there's ever a problem with the server, everybody on the project is unable to access their files and make changes. Also, a centralized version control system is generally more expensive and requires more overhead in maintaining the master repository. In a distributed version control system, the developer maintains their own local repository where they can check out their files, make changes to their files, create different branches of their files, and when they're ready to log in a merge into their master repository, they can do so. But all of these files are being managed by their version control system on their own local hard drive. This eliminates the higher overheads of the centralized server system, as the expensive server and network backbone system is not required, as the files are stored locally on the developer's own hard drive.